Hey guys, and today you will be learning on a jump. So grab a one space lift, repeat turns, and as you see, you can just do three to one jump. Look, well, that's not what we would still do. Just oh, so jump. So one space split, and one in the group where the put up to zero, clean up the books. And change it by 10. Then negative 10. And then do that. Set jump to, 20. Then start changing the jump point. It should be negative 1. Okay, so, okay, that doesn't work because, yeah. So, we gotta do that. So, we need to do and do. Maybe wondering if and just do if less than 1%. And that's the one, set the y to 0, and set to 0, and 0. And do uh, set the jump to 20, just to 20 for now, and put like a change y by jump, and then okay, that's a bit right, but can we do that in a space box? Space correct as well. The if if the space is correct and another space and the space is correct like that, and so what we need to do is put yeah, and repeat that, and repeat 20. Okay, repeat 40. Yeah. Leave out this. Yeah. And that should work. See? You can only do it. Just look. See? It's really smart. Because we're doing that 40 times. So then just go well, set to 15. You can use this for lots of projects. Stop. And the and yeah, that's how you pretty much make it. So that's the end of this. You can use this for what? Okay. You can use this for even Geometry Dash. So I'd say let's change it to the 2.1. Then and set the jump to 21. Let's do it 30 times, that's all it. Okay. The reason why the duration is so long is just oh no. Um, 0. Just do this about 25 times. And get another space close. So to separate. Yeah. But don't do that because you can just go like that. That's like that causes the friction. Looks how you can only get it to jump only once. You can use this for if you're making Minecraft or something. So yeah, that's the end of this tutorial, and hope you guys have a great day. And see ya. See ya. Yep. I mean, see ya. I had a geometry dash project, but it's so hard to put in the tutorial. And yeah, it's only a backpack, baby. That could do it. Bye, guys.